The DJ industry is ever changing. Right now is actually one of the best times to turn your DJ hobby into a career or even take it to the next level. We're seeing DJs sell out their own shows, rack up millions of followers through social media and have hits overnight. Branding, networking and social engagement combined with skills and creativity can literally launch your career. But it's a new world with competition higher than ever. Standing out from the crowd can be challenging. My name is Jamie Hartley, the founder and DJ tutor at Crossfader. I've been teaching and helping DJs for the last 4 years and DJing myself for over a decade. My aim is to use Crossfader as a platform to help as many DJs worldwide. So, starting with the UK, I'd like to introduce to you the DJ Industry Workshop. We're bringing you some of the leading DJs, producers, brands and promoters to deliver live talks and demos. The aim is to help you take your career to the next level. Whether you're a bedroom DJ looking to confirm your first club gig, or you might be a working resident DJ that wants to make it to that artist level, the DJ Industry Workshop is here to help you do just that. It's a daytime event taking place in Leeds on Saturday the 18th of August. It's a day focused on learning, networking and growth. A day to bring the DJ industry together. If you want to find out more or get access to tickets, just hit the link in the description and enter your email. I can't wait to share some more details with you and I hope to see you there on the day.